Hi guys, this is Victor, welcome to my DIY Time Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset lamp light on Hitachi projector. Usually there are two reasons why the lamp light is flashing on your projector. Number one, if your projector doesn't display anything, the projector lamp has probably went out. If that's the case, you simply need to replace the bulb. It's a very simple process. There's a door in the back of the projector, you just open that door, take out the old bulb, install the new one, close the door, you're all set. I couldn't really record this because our projector is mounted on the ceiling, but it's pretty simple and straightforward process. If you need help finding replacement bulb, check out the link in the description area below. Number two, if your projector works fine and you still have flashing lamp light, it's probably because you need to reset the lamp counter. It has to be done every time you replace the bulb. To reset the projector lamp counter, you can use a remote or the buttons in the back of the projector. To do that, go to Menu, select Option, Lamp Time, and then click on Reset. That's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.